Some fitness gurus say you need to shock your muscles, constantly changing workouts, adding crazy techniques, or going all out every session. But is this really how muscle growth works, or is it just a myth? Today I'll break down the science of how muscles actually grow, what role muscle shock plays, and how you can train, eat, and recover for maximum gains. Muscle growth, also called hypertrophy, happens when your muscle fibers experience enough stress to cause tiny tears. Your body then repairs these tears, and in the process, the fibers grow thicker and stronger. This process is driven by three main mechanisms: mechanical tension, lifting heavy weights through a full range of motion; metabolic stress, the burn you feel from high-rep training; muscle damage, the microscopic breakdown that triggers repair. But here's the key: your body doesn't magically grow muscle overnight. Most people see noticeable changes in 8 to 12 weeks of consistent training, with beginners making faster progress than advanced lifters. So the real question is, where does shocking your muscles come into play? The phrase, shocking your muscles, often gets misunderstood. Your body adapts to repeated stress. If you keep doing the exact same workout for months without increasing weight, reps, or intensity, progress slows down. That's why variation does matter. You don't need to completely change your routine every week, but you do need progressive overload. Add more weight. Do more reps. Slow down the tempo. Try a new exercise variation. These small adjustments shock your muscles enough to keep them adapting. The truth is, it's not about doing something crazy every workout. It's about applying smart, gradual challenges that your body hasn't yet adapted to. If you want the most growth for your time in the gym, focus on compound exercises, movements that hit multiple muscles at once. The kings of muscle growth are squats, legs, glutes, core; deadlifts, hamstrings, glutes, back; bench press, chest, shoulders, triceps; pull-ups, rows, back, biceps, lats; overhead press, shoulders, triceps. These exercises create the most mechanical tension and recruit the highest number of muscle fibers. Isolation moves like curls or leg extensions are still valuable, but think of them as accessory lifts to fine-tune your physique. Training is just one piece of the puzzle. To actually grow, your body needs the right building blocks. Protein, aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. Calories, be in a slight surplus if you want muscle growth. Carbs and fats. Carbs fuel training, fats support hormones. Don't neglect either. And here's something most people overlook: rest and recovery. Muscle growth doesn't happen in the gym, it happens when you sleep and recover. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Skipping rest is like leaving gains on the table. On average, beginners can gain 0.5 to 1 kilogram of muscle per month if they train, eat, and recover properly. Advanced lifters gain slower, maybe 0.25 kilograms per month. That's why patience and consistency are your greatest tools. So, do you need to shock your muscles? Yes, but not with gimmicks. The real shock comes from showing up consistently, applying progressive overload, fueling your body, and letting it recover. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips, and let's keep building smarter, not harder.